When we understand how we will benefit from going green and decide to begin keeping the environment clean, we might begin believing it is possible to get rid of the pollution plight and plan to make our future bright. We all have a duty to protect Earth's beauty, and we can now learn about the eco-friendly tips we can use in a much better way. We can all plan to see a brighter day when we are empowered with environmental solutions as we decrease pollution. No need to sit and wait for another heat wave, increased food insecurity and plastic pollution. Together, we can become the solution. Simplified environmental solutions will cause us to change old habits and develop new green ones. We will be making better decisions. We will be using more energy from the sun, reusing, reducing and recycling plastic and other things, as this will be seen as a part of a great plan. Our oceans will be healthy again as a lot more green jobs are created. When we put the children first, we won't be waiting for things to go from bad to worst. You can support the Eco Kids book project in many ways. Remember, sharing is caring, and you can like, comment and place orders at funwriting.com too. Protecting Mother Earth is the greatest thing we all can do. Subscribe, like and share here, as you spread the word about the need for environmental care.